Back today I am going to about function with multiple parameter. Today I am going to about function with multiple parameter. What is function with multiple parameter? Function can have multiple input parameters. Function can have multiple input parameter which are written in the function. Here example, then we are going to create a multiple parameter function using. Then we are going to create a function which have name greet and parameter person which is type of string and comma separate and is already greeted and already greeted which is type of bool, and that written is a string. That how written is a string, and two parameter have each person as this type of string and already greeted type of bool. So if condition, then we are going to create if condition is already greeted true, already greeted, this is a true, so true, then return already wish, otherwise else return no wish. This is a string and our function is complete. This is a declaration. We can use call function. Then we are going to create a print statement. So greet function, greet, that have two parameter, person and already greeted. This is a person, this is type of string. Suppose everybody name hello, this is already greeted, this is a type of bool. So true is this is a true, this is a true statement. So already execute of true statement, already wish and not no wish. So this is a true, we can run already wish, and then false. So this is the execute of no wish statement. So use of multiple parameter in function, use of multiple parameter, this person which is type of string and already greeted is the type of bool. Function can have multiple input parameter. Function can have multiple input parameter. Thank you for watching this video.